If an alternating current with a peak voltage of 18.5, so V peak is 18.5 volts, is connected to a 27.5 ohm resistor, what power is dissipated? So many ways to go. I think the thing to do, let's turn this into RMS, and then we'll use power is V squared over R. But this has to be RMS for us to get the average power, right? Okay, so RMS, VRMS is going to be 18.5 divided by square root of 2. So 18.5 divided by square root of 2 is 13.08, 081. How do I do that? 13.081475 volts, right? And then let's just plug that in, right? So that is equal to 13.081475 squared divided by 27.5. So this formula works only if this is RMS, if you want to get the average power, right? So that thing's squared divided by 27.5. Now I get that is equal to 6.22 watts. Now, what I paused at the beginning there, really the way I do this is I just go 18.5 squared divided by that, right? I'd find the peak power, right? Is V naught squared divided by R. So that'd be 18.5 squared divided by 27.5, right? 0.5 squared divided by 27.5, and you get 12.44, right? And remember, the peak power is twice the average power, so divide by 2 and you get 6.22. Okay, I'm just saying that's how I would do it, but yeah, I don't know if that's the best way to teach it.